Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down right away to access safety and emergency. Following that, select emergency contacts and tap on add contact. Now just click on the one that you wish to apply and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and then select remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!